How's the car sound? How's the Evo sound?
How's your car sound?
Yeah.
Sounds good.
Can't hear it?
I can hear it.
It's too quiet?
My car's too loud.
Your car?
Yeah.
The wind noise or the exhaust? You're embarrassing us. Yeah. And now it starts rattling and chirping.
Oh.
How did you line up with us on the freeway?
Magic. Nah.
Wait, did he?
Yeah. I got right in. I hopped right in behind.
He
David.
exited as we exited.
I didn't see it.
Yeah.
He was in front of me.
He actually did it.
Yeah. Told you.
You should have brought your 240 here.
The 240 doesn't run very clean.
If your 240's here, you're automatically the winner of the car meet. Like there's a lot of cool cars here, but they're like mostly 240s. And your 240 is just like the godfather.
Barely.
Yeah, it's tight. I'm gonna get in alignment, and then Juan's gonna run roll the fenders.
That was you behind.
Yeah.
You fucking dingus.
I'm not used to you driving a white Integra.
Hey, did you hear that, Christian?
Bet you will pull on your Evo.
Matthew comes to this meet and doesn't invite us.
I was gonna
Shut
say.
the fuck up. It was like a last minute thing.
Okay.
He wasn't even home, and you were 2 weeks ago.
It's alright, Matthew. Sometimes I don't want to deal with myself. So.
None of you guys invite me anywhere. It's always me inviting both of you guys.
I live on the other side of Buckfire.
Yeah, you guys never invite me to your house or anything. Well, he does sometimes, but you don't. Alright, instead of an Evo or an STI, how about you get one of these? 30K plus
Not
like
how the world works.
Stop being a pussy.
What do you mean?
I don't just jump from a Miata to that.
Yes, you do.
You get an Evo's faster than that if it's stock, but it's probably not. But
It didn't sound stock.
I mean, my Evo doesn't sound stock, but it's stock. Tell me about the paint job, Christian. Tell me what you've done to it.
I don't know about it.
What's he doing? What's he doing?
Can you do a trick for me?
It's not weird. It's already weird.
That was so mean. For who?
A real old schooler.
He's actually not allowed to park there because his car is too new. This is the old schoolers meet. This is what this loser gets for bringing a car from 2014.
This car is like
Wait, you're gonna say it's
not the
faster
fastest
than
car here, but one of the fastest cars here.
Okay.
Bone stock. My Rocket Bunny shits on your car.
So now we're attacking me.
We're in gear.
I got that.
Good.
Matthew, you're actually allowed to park next to me because your car's it's cooler than his. So you should go do that.
Do it, I dare you.
Matthew, please go do it.
Fuck.
I
They
dare
can't
you.
say anything.
It's not worth my time.
Matthew,
We'll move it for you.
I'll
We'll move
move
it.
it for you.
Alright, I'm sure.
In the comments, tell us what kind of car this is.
Is this your next car?
I don't think so.
Why not?
I mean, you tell me what to search on Craigslist for this.
RX-3?
No, that's...
Oh, Daddy, look, it's your car. Oh, look at the Subaru. Damn, I need a stuffed animal for my passenger seat, like a Pikachu or something. You know that would be hella tight.
No.
That would be.
No, it wouldn't. Don't do it. There's no need for a stuffed Pikachu.
I just want to say it'd be like that sometimes.
Okay.
During sad boy hours, it really be like that when you need a stuffed animal in your passenger seat.
That was a long
I was
night.
fucking pumping
didn't-
gas next to this guy.
Damn, this is like
I remember you
240 right here.
you gave up on the rear coils and I finished the coils.
No,
Like,
we didn't even finish. I finished it the next day because remember the car was on the ground and I couldn't pull the jack out. Like the diff was like literally this high off
yeah,
the ground.
but I remember there's something with the coils where like you gave up. And
Yeah,
I
I couldn't
kept
get the
going.
bottom bolt in.
Yeah.
Or something.
Not sure why I was working so hard in someone else's car, but I did.
What do you mean? I did your whole timing belt for you. All right, your 5 cars. That if you could have any 5 cars of reasonable pricing to cover everything.
Integra for track duty, S2000 for the weekends. A Dodge with a Cummins
For towing.
for towing and anything else. What was my 4th one? I just said it. An F80 M3.
F80, yeah. Fit number 5.
A newer Type R.
Okay.
Do I need to be reasonable and say like I need a towing thing?
No.
Okay.
5 cars, go.
Miata.
Which one? NA? Yours?
Yeah, NA, Rocket Bunny, rotary swap or something. FDRX7, not Rocket Bunny. A Tacoma. MR2.
Jesus.
That's what I'm saying. My list is gonna cost a 1/4 of his.
You're saying my list is fucking trash.
I need a.
What's number 5?
So my list is trash.
What am I missing on this list?
BMW?
Okay, I'm stuck between like a M3 or a 300ZX.
Oh my god.
What's your daily?
Well, the Tacoma
Okay.
or the
So-
clapped out Miata.
What's number 5?
300 ZX or a
I'm gonna E92 M3.
Okay.
God, that hurts.
5 cars. My 240, the Evo 10 R35, a Raptor, and a GT3 RS.
Is that reasonably priced though?
Yeah.
Is it?
I said you can go up to one supercar.
I was fucking reasonable.
fucking cheap ass.
There's not a lot of expensive cars. I'm like, oh, I need that.
No, GTR, I would love an M4. I would love a Raptor. I don't know. I would love a 458. A GT2 RS.
Okay, yeah, I would love a Pagani Zonda, but
I wouldn't.
that's not happening.
I wouldn't.
My fucking cheeks are clenched the whole time.
I want to own 2 Evo 10s. I want another Evo. But I also want the STI. And I don't want to have 2 Evos and an
Wait,
STI.
I forgot an STI on my list.
Yeah, I was going to say that.
Alright, I'll take out an E92 M3 was like my dream car when I was a kid.
Yeah. Your email is
I'm gonna
like
take-
cwill at limerockm3gmail.com, whatever.
LRP. I wanted the Lime Rock Park, whatever it's called, M3, the orange one. Okay, we're gonna take the M3 out and put a Subaru in there. Is that all Japanese cars?
A Subaru Forester.
Yeah,
Just a
all
Subaru.
Japanese cars for me.
Put a Subaru in there.
No, see, I like cheap cars, but when they're modded like really nicely.
Nah, I hear you.
I'd rather have that than like just buy a luxury car
See,
and
like,
call it a day.
because I've experienced a 240, I'm at the point where I don't want to modify cars anymore. Or like,
well, no,
only to a certain
dreaming.
extent.
I'm dreaming here, so I'm dreaming. I'm not
Yeah.
gonna get tired of
I
that.
agree.
But okay, if I had like my own shop and a lift and like access to like
I-
really good fabricators and I had the funding for it, it'd be a different story.
I think it would be cool to have like a mansion and just a bunch of shitty cars and not have a single luxury car. Like just have a bunch of, but okay, not shitty cars, but just a
Yeah.
bunch of really cool modded
Just
Japanese
old,
cars.
Old vehicle. Yeah, that's a troll.
Yeah, because I just don't care.
No, I would love to have a 350Z Rocket Bunny too, because that's literally a 350Z Rocket Bunny is my favorite Rocket Bunny ever.
Those are cool. Yeah, they look cool.
It's like my favorite kit.
It's a good one.
Yeah, you forgot about that.
That is a good one.
Oh hey, look, there's a 350Z. You get
I
one.
don't know what my favorite Rocket Bunny kit is. It used to be RX-7, but now I don't really like that kit
Nah,
anymore.
it's 350. I even like the BRZ or the 86s.
I honestly like the Miata kit because it's so simple. The 350Z is probably like those little vents
fender
on
vents?
the fender. Those
Yeah.
are so cool looking.
Yeah.
Bad gas. Man.
Daddy, Black Widow Supra.
But then it's like you get bad gas mileage, but it's worth it because you can tow like
I
reliably,
actually want to
comfortably.
look at this.
Hurry up.
Literally won't start.
What?
Literally not starting.
What'd you do?
I put the key in and push the clutch in.
Why can't you start a manual transmission vehicle?
What do you mean? I have the clutch to the floor.
See, Will, he can't start a car.
Did I start it?
What'd you do?
What are you talking about? You have a kill switch in here or something?
No.
Want me to start it?
What'd you do?
I don't know what you're talking about.
What the
What's the issue here?
The car's not starting.
Alright, so...
Well, your bat. Are you recording?
Yeah,
You're not. Are you sure?
I'm recording.
Your battery's dead. Your car's it's clapped out. I couldn't tell if you were being serious or not, like if you had a kill switch or something. But yeah, look. See?
Fuck.
Wait, give me the keys, I'll just drive by you guys.
You said what?
Give me the keys, I'll just drive by you guys.
So what now?
We jumpstart your car? No? Do it again!
Oh, alright, thanks for the clutch, bitch.
You were afraid to park off.
Whoa, hit that piece of shit.
Wait, so how did he get the car started?
I don't know.
It wasn't starting. Wow, Christian.
What?
Wait, so how did you start the car?
It starts.
It wasn't starting when I did it.
I just pushed the clutch down.
Whoa!
Oh my god. Wait, let me see. I was literally pushing it to the floor.
Really hard. And the brake.
And the brake? I'm on the floor on both.
No, you're not.
Dude, look at my fucking foot. It's on the floor.
I don't know what's happening.
Don't record.
Don't record what?
Are you recording?
No?
Promise.
I am now.
Check the camera.
I am right now.
Okay, well turn it off.
It's not allowed to record.
Turn it off.
No.
What happened?
I can't show him.
Show him what?
Oh, so you do have a kill switch or something. Wait, but why do you like these better?
Because you got 2 circles at night. They
And what did you say about it?
2 balls?
2 balls.
Well, what'd you say? It looks like a Ferrari?
It's like the same style as a Ferrari, where it's like 2 circles. On like a Ferrari 360 Spider or whatever.
Are you high?
What?
This is a Ferrari.
Are you
Sequel
high?
confirmed.
No, I'm saying the
It's a
running
Ferrari.
lights at night.
It looks like a Ferrari
I'm
at
saying
night.
these look better than the Bears. I
Okay,
would not
but-
get the Bears.
All right. Good luck driving home.
Stance Nation, bro.
I guess.
This was your doing. He saw lowered Integra. He said, "Dude, Integras look so good lowered."
I said they look so much better lower.
Integra's a stock.
I didn't say so good. I said they look way better than stock. He's parked right next to one. And here we are.
Can you guys follow me?
I'll let the other one out. So
Shut the fuck
all
up.
4.
Can you follow me to the Sinclair gas station?
Follow you. What are we gonna do? Rear end you if you get to push you?
Nudge me in. Alright.
You're really trusting the kid from Arizona
Yep.
that went to Crespi. That can't even read the.
Later.
Dude, that is not fun.
His car's tilting to
Matthew, this is not fine. Your car is lopsided.
Surprise.
I know, that thing's putting down more rubber than the wheels he's got on the car.
That looks just like my spare.
I still see your shadows in my room. Oh, daddy. Dude, you were moving out of the lot. Your car was just diagonal. Lopsided AF. Oh, daddy!
Whoa!
Wait a minute. Those are mine. I didn't know you were gonna put it in. I thought you were just.
Wait, what is that? What is that?
How are you gonna get that out?
What is it?
Is it in like?
It's all the way in.
That really blows. What size is that? It's not.
It's probably hopefully it's an American socket.
I thought you were just gonna poke him. Alright, well, we're gonna sanitize it. Not sure it's gonna do anything, but.
Dip it in the water.
And then we're gonna. Can you change your damn tire already? Stop looking.
Watch him put the... Damn, big baller, JDMAF.
I like the powder coating on it.
Those TVs.
Are those 3-piece?
Okay. Alright.
Come on,
You
shake
gotta
it
like
off.
knock it off the scissor jack. See how tall that thing is right now? It's like maxed out.
Just like tip it over.
And there's no lug nuts on that wheel either.
Total my car.
Wait, what do we do?
We're gonna use mine. It's safer in the rear. Agreed?
Wait, instead of putting his...
I'm putting this one in the front.
Dude, that one has like half the air of mine.
Yeah, but I mean, it's in the rear.
It's in the rear, Christian. It's in the rear.
It's in the rear, guys.
Fuck you guys. I don't want to take your spare.
Wait, for funsies, could you just put them on backwards? Like inside out?
It wouldn't fit over
Some
my caliper.
crazy stand.
Wouldn't fit over my caliper.
I think this car just got faster. Look, it's lighter.
Less resistance on the ground too.
Alright, I'm gonna drop it on both two spares.
Yeah, can we just put 4 spares on this car? I want to see how it handles. I just want to throw it into a corner. No, can we put like spares in the rear and then like Federal 595R compounds on the front?
Do some skids.
Yeah. Try these thoughts out.
He's selling.
Nathy, I'll give you $200 for this car right now. 300.
Whoa! Whoa!
OEM. Mazda Miata. Don't. What are you doing? Pick that shit up and put the cover back on.
Hell no, I'm busy.
That's powder coated.
He just threw a TE.
I'm gonna throw it at you.
That's a flex.
Do you think you could get, if you had enough money, could you get Enki to make you like a spare like that small, but
Like an
actually,
RPF one.
yeah, and you just like pull it out of your car?
I think they'll do it.
I definitely didn't do that
For a certain amount of money.
For like $10,000.
I think it would be a lot less than that. Because like a custom wheel is like $1,000 each.
Well, I imagine they had like machines already made to make their wheels.
Oh man.